Ready, go!
I just got the Grimace shake.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Do you want the Grimace shake?
Yes, it's so nutritious.
If I drink it, will it be a big mistake?
Why would you ever think that?
They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wishlist? You're giving me